welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see the title down below, today I'll be attempting to put on my own eyelashes for the first time. First being the operative word, guys, so I'm begging you guys, please do not come for me in the comment section. This is my first time putting on my own lashes. I've never done it before, but I'm going to attempt to do it today. All right, now before we get into this video, I want you guys to like this video, comment and tell me what you think. Tell me how was your first time putting on your lashes, you know, because each one teach one, we learn from each other. Yes, just tell me your experience, and I want you to share this video with your friends and family, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right guys, yes, so let's get into this video. Okay, so you see, for somebody who has never put on their own lashes, I have quite a few, and I think I like the look that lashes gives after you put on your makeup and stuff like that. So I think I'm definitely going to try it until I perfect it. So I have these two sets. I bought these on Shein. Yes, these are a bit too long, not my liking at all. I didn't notice that these were going to be so long. I think these are a bit more on the natural side, which is what I aim for. I aim to be natural at all times. And I also got this package recently from my Instagram store. I don't know you guys. Yes, it's called Blinks Accessories. I bought something from them to support a black business. You know how it goes. Support, you know, support. So this is what it comes in. It comes with a lash applicator. Lash applicator, that's what they call it. Yes, these. And it also comes with a brush in it. Yeah, and this is the casing. Right, nice, cute package, really nice. I really like the packaging of it. Yeah, so we're definitely going to support them again. All right guys, so check them out on Instagram. It's called Blinks Accessories, and get your lashes, and they also sell other stuff. I'm going to put the link in the description down below. All right, so let's get into this, guys. I've never done my eyelashes before, so do not come for me. I heard that hair glue put it on better, so I'm gonna be using the hair glue. Yes, hair glue. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna be doing these. Oh, I think I need to, you know, draw the black line. I think that helps with applying it. All right, so I'm gonna do that for sure. So give me a minute, guys. Okay, so I lined it with the wet liner, the eyeliner thing. Yeah, first I think it's okay. All right, it's fine. Yeah, we're gonna try to apply it now. Okay, I think this one is for this eye, and the other one is for the other eye. So let's go. Learning process. Don't forget, we're learning. Let me put the glue on it. Can I use the bottom of my thing to get the glue? Oops, that's a lot. Okay, I'm supposed to blow on it to semi-dry it. Guys, bear my witness. Alright, so let's see. I think this is it going on the right way. Oops. Oops. Hold on. Lord Jesus, suppose me blind myself, eh? Wanna see how me enough and fast? Guys, I don't think this is working out. Wow, I think we're getting there. What y'all think? Oh, and I also got this. I wonder if this will help. I got this from Shein as well. I don't know, I've been buying stuff, trying to use stuff that I'm not used to. So I think this is supposed to clump it together. Lord, don't correct me in the comment section if I am wrong. I feel like I'm about to blind myself. But I think this one went on pretty good. What do you guys think? Yeah? Oh. Right, I'm starting to smush it together with my lashes so it looks. Okay. Alright, so one down. Okay. I think that first one went on good. So next patient, same treatment. Alright, so let's take she over here so and put some glue on her. Alright, let's attempt this one, two. This feel cock right off. Leave my hands to smush it together to see. Oh, so this one feel cock off. Wanna see it? Alright, so It looks like I might have to add more glue. Oh, hold on. Guys, I think this one even put on better than this one. What do you guys think? I think this one went on better than this one. Oh my god. What you guys think? Honestly, I think this one went on better than this one. I think this one will come down a little bit more. Lord, to do this is a sign. Suppose I blind myself though. Really? Really? Alright, so what you guys think for the first attempt? I think this one went on better than this one. Yeah, I really think like that. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. This was my first time. Tell me, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much did you guys grade me? I mean, you can always tell me what are the things that I missed out in doing this in the comment section down below. But for now, I think I'm liking these. They feel a bit too long-ish, but I think I can get used to it. Yeah. Me? I think this one really went on better than that one. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I'll do this more, I think. Until next time guys, bye.